initially, the job looks really good. They put external carpet out here. It was the color we expected. So, you know, we started off good. They said, hey, we're heading out. I looked at it, looks good. But now we have some issues now that we've looked at it from after they left. So, yeah, they didn't glue all the way to the corners. Still left a bunch of stuff in there. So even if they glued it, there's nothing to stick to. And then this is consistent throughout the whole thing, is we had the step, and all they did, they just left this here. The carpeting before was all tucked in and glued, and a lot of the stuff's not even glued at all. So they could have left the corners and the bottoms just hanging. You see that? Yeah, there's a bunch of these. Like, right? So it's not glued down. They didn't glue it. It's not. That's not glued. And also the edges. Look at the edge here. I mean, this is just loose. Look at that. Look at that. It's just loose. The whole thing is loose. I don't know. But not what I paid for. So this is a little farther down the carpet, but same thing. Is it's just they didn't glue this. It's all loose. Nothing attached. And they didn't glue it down below like it was when we actually contracted to have this replaced. And then look at this crap. They didn't glue the edge. This is just all left just loose. It was just bullshit. It's not how it was when I got a quote from your guy. And this is all loose. This is loose up here. Yep. So it's a fail. Empire, you failed.